going to be showing you how to make yourself look tall. And actually very tall. So first you need, well, you don't really need this, but you will kind of want it. To make yourself look like a Darth Vader, like. Yeah. Look this. Oh, it's the most crappy thing in the world. You really don't need this. I don't even recommend it. This is the worst thing ever. Look at this. Just look at this. Take one big look at this. Look, it's crappy. There's lenses are falling out. Look, there's a lens right here. That's supposed to be right there. It's really falling out. Look at this. And the whole thing. Okay, you don't need that. You don't need that. Okay, but you do need. So put my glasses back on. Okay. So get this blanket. Get on the wrong side. Stand up on a little stool. Make sure that the people can in front of you. Now, this doesn't make you look tall from all sides, but just from the front side. You literally just put a blanket right. It's like the easiest thing you'll ever know. You literally just wrap this blanket around you and kind of curl it up like that so they can't see that there's a oh. I guess you can kind of see. Doesn't it look like I'm a tall man? It's really that easy. I think you should probably know. You should probably just know it by looking at it. And subscribe!